It is Kai Kai DIY, and today, as you read by the title, I have my grandparents here, and they are going to be making slime and the slime challenge. So whoever has the best slime wins. Here's our little dog right here. That's our little dog. How old is she?
13.
She's 13. Okay. So I'm in my
than me.
bathing suit because they have a pool over there, so don't mind that. Okay, so now my grandma or grandpa, who wants to go first?
I'll go first.
Okay, you pour in half of the bottle, okay? Just half.
Okay.
You're a little slow at this.
Sorry for the shaky camera.
Grandpa's a little slow with everything.
Yeah, Maya's behind camera, so.
Okay.
I get the other half, right?
Yep.
I think mine half is more than
No, I
his.
think you got more. That's okay.
Stop. Yeah, okay. What? They're so confusing. Okay,
Isn't this fun?
yeah, so fun.
Okay, don't get glue on my table.
Okay, so now Grandpa is going to add some shaving cream. So you're going to add as much shaving cream as you did glue, just a little bit less. You got that?
Not as much, but a little bit less. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just that. Whoever has.
Oh, sorry.
It's really fun. Stop. Okay, so. Okay, so now I'm going to add this. So you guys will pick out your colors. Break it. Okay, so there is purple, green, pink, and orange. So pick one.
A purple to go with my purple.
Green.
Green. Okay, add it.
Add it?
All of it?
The whole
Just a
tube?
little
No,
bit.
just like as many drops as you want. Or it's gel. Okay, that's good. That's good, Grandpa.
Okay.
That's good, Grandma. Okay, now just mix it with your spatula.
Okay.
Spatula!
This is the fun part. Isn't that pretty? This looks good enough to eat.
I wouldn't advise eating it.
Neither would I. We have some of this Tide that my grandma got me. Thanks, Grandma. Oh, I don't want to
She
like.
paid for yourself.
And you just mix it fast. So we
Okay.
went a little slow, but they've been mixing.
How could you go any faster?
They're just going to
We're
add a
slow,
little
but
bit of that.
We're thorough.
Yeah.
We do a good job.
They're just going to
job.
add a little bit of that at a
Just-
time.
A
So that's
little
So
bit,
just a little bit and then mix it. Okay?
a little bit, and mix it.
Yeah, that's good.
Well, now, don't get it on the
Yeah.
table.
Grandma.
Enough?
A little bit more, but okay. No, I meant you added a little bit more than you were supposed
Oh.
to. Grandma's getting.
Come on,
A
Grandma.
little bit more.
Come on, Grandma.
Make yourself clear. Okay.
Just keep mixing.
My head hurts.
Well, mine's going to make bubbles. Bubble slime.
Okay, do I add more? Now? I'm doing it right. Doing it correctly. A little at a time.
I'm going to have bubble slime now. Don't sit it on the table.
No, I got off all the green.
Look, it's getting it all over.
Okay, so we're just going to keep mixing this.
Ooh. It's getting harder.
You're like touching it, trying to get it like sunny.
That is slimy. Look at that.
Take this out.
Take it off your fingers.
You just need to take it out. Like, here, I'll mix.
Mix it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna mix yours a little.
Just like bread dough. Pizza dough.
It's so stringy. Okay. Now you just need it, Grandpa. Now this is the part where you get messy.
Uh-oh.
You have to knead it with your hands like this.
Okay.
Oh, Grandma's doing it. Okay.
It's like making bread. Pizza dough.
Now just keep kneading it until you think that it's done.
Yeah.
And then we put it on top of your head.
Yeah, definitely. That's
Can we
exactly
put
what
it
you
in
do.
your face like this?
No. And then you put it back in, and then I will judge whose is better.
How about I put it in Papa's face?
Yeah.
Grandma and Grandpa have been mixing. I'm just now feeling Grandma's.
Pretzel.
Came off your hand. Came off your hand very clean.
Okay, now everybody put it on
My
the table.
hands are clean. Coming on.
And I will judge. So let me just put all this on the ground.
Oh, I broke my hand. I cussed.
Ooh.
Hey, this is kind of fun.
I like poking Grandpa's.
I'm so glad. I'm so sorry. I was so hesitant. I think this is so fun. I think we should make some more.
Are you being sarcastic?
No, I am being for real. I love it. I do.
Now I'm starting to get my
Look
slime
at this.
loving
This
from.
is just like squishy.
Grandma, I'm pretty sure people who watch this already know what it is.
Slime.
But it's fun. They don't know how fun it is, though.
Yeah,
Some people
kids.
do,
I
Grandma.
want to tell them how much fun it is to play with
It's fun.
slime.
Grandma cares about her table so much.
Well,
Grandma's
Her
like, the
table's like the
devil.
second Heidi.
Yeah, I know.
Waffle.
not quite.
Wobble.
I will.
Okay, Maya, come get a close up of Grandma.
Okay, let's go look at some stuff.
Okay, so this is Grandpa's. Grandpa, introduce your slime. Start poking it.
Oh. Okay. Okay, and next. Oh.
And this
Uh,
is my
No,
purple
no, no. Don't
slime.
stay on Grandpa's. No. I felt like it was going to get stuck in your... Okay, so now we're just going to do some ASMR with his. Okay, so be quiet. Be quiet. Stop it! I like Grandpa's for poking. Okay, so that's good. Let's go into Grandma's.
Oh, that's a very pretty purple one.
Grandma,
pretty
introduce your slime.
This
Oh, that's
is my
shimmer.
very pretty purple slime. Oh, excuse me. You can stretch it.
Swimsuit.
You can.
More like underwear, Baba.
This is my purple slime.
Uh-huh.
Oh, I broke my hand. I have a cast.
Okay, now take it off and let's do some ASMR with it.
Okay.
Some S&R. What's that?
ASMR.
It's like whenever you poke it and you like let everyone like hear.
It's something that you
sounds
like
of it.
hear or like hear or see that like,
Just
that's
show
like
them
really
the slime.
soothing
Oh,
and like it makes you feel tingly.
No, don't confuse Grandma.
yeah. I
It's
get
just
easily
showing someone's slime.
confused.
There.
Look at that. This is that
It's like it's hard.
perfect purple
Okay, now
slime.
we'll put Grandma's right there and Grandpa's right here. Ready? So Grandpa has a little bit of a less batch right here, but it's all right.
Grandma's is shimmering on camera.
Grandma's is beautiful. Shimmering on
Okay, so Grandpa's.
Oh, look at that. That's perfect.
No,
Look at my slime I made.
Hi, Piper. Oh, by the way, this is my cousin Piper. Isn't she
You're on
beautiful?
I'm making slime. Well,
Okay,
I
and then this
go in
one.
the utility room right
Boo.
there. On the counter.
Boo.
Yay! purple slime. Yay, purple slime.
Okay, so
Perfect
Now-
purple
you guys
slime.
comment down below, Team Papa, Team Grandma, for who you think won, but who I think won would probably be Papa. Sorry.
Yay!
Slime or the green slime?
Hey, wait, no, we'll let we'll let Piper decide. Hey, Piper, you poke the slime and pick which one's better. That
Ah,
one. So
good job.
Grandma's
I
is
like
like
these-
Grandma's
these
is
judges.
really soft, but whenever you like flip it and then you start poking it, it gets hard. But then whenever you just leave it for a few seconds and then you poke it, it's like soft. This one's like always soft and it's really sticky. So okay, wait. Now we'll do a poop swirl, mixing. Okay, a poop
I'm
swirl.
making slime, honey.
I'm
oh,
mixing.
you're not gonna mix the colors, are you?
Sorry. Okay. So I've mixed it. Sorry, the camera keeps cutting off. But like whenever you leave it out for like a few seconds and then you touch it, like it's like really soft. But whenever you just like keep playing with it in a row and you like squeeze it and everything, like now it's like really hard. Now it doesn't even. Okay, guys. So apparently my grandma left me, but my grandpa's still here by my side. So this was really fun to do, especially with these two. But
No,
well,
that one's gone. But
that one's still here. But so thank you guys all for watching. If you like this one and you want to do another slime challenge versus slime challenge, like sister versus brother or something, or me versus somebody, make sure to comment down below. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time. Bye from Kai Kids DIY.